Hello viewers, welcome back to another new video. So guys, this video I'll show how to create casual wallpaper for PC, and this resolution is 1024 and 1024. So I'm just paste my prompt and click a generator and this size and use 2 photo or 3 photo and 11 tokens and 4 and just typing 4 and create 14 tokens. So just generate this image and creating 4 image and wait for loading. And guys, I hope subscribe my channel and keep watching this video. So guys, now I'm waiting and create this image or wallpaper. So guys, the image is ready. Now the crazy wallpaper is ready, and click the first wallpaper and click download and open. So now resolution is square mode. Okay, fine, just create and click select and background image on my PC. Setup done. Okay, now is the good wallpaper for my PC. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So like, comment and share this video. Goodbye.